Hello, and welcome to a very special 5-year anniversary edition of Cooking with Evan. Now, today we're going to be making a iconic southern dessert using ingredients from our very own garden. Let's go gather our secret ingredient together. Can you guess what it is? Let me know in the comments below. Oh boy, those look ripe. Wonderful, but nah. Onions? In a dessert? Maybe later, but not today.
Boom in the shot!
You Ah, there it is! Our secret ingredient. Look how rich and dark that is. It's gonna go great in our Mississippi mud pie. Now that we have our special ingredient, we'll need to activate it. And for that, we need a hose. And my assistant, Wiley. Wiley? No. What did we say? Not like that. I'm telling Mom. Okay, now that our special ingredient has been activated, let's get started on our pie. There are many versions of this treat, but we're going to go with an old school, no bake version that will keep you cool this summer, as it doesn't require the use of an oven. Who doesn't love Mississippi mud pie? Just in time for the rainy season. First, take a chocolate cookie crust and add our mud. Then, spread it evenly. Next, we will top with whipped topping and finish it with some crushed sandwich cookies. You really gotta work that mud in that pie crust sometimes. It's gonna get a little bit sticky. Just really get in there. Just get the mud all over you. Now you put your container of whipped topping all in there. Really enjoy yourself. Don't forget your chocolate sandwich cookie crumble. Now, I know it looks good enough to eat as is right now, but we gotta let this chill for 2 hours in the fridge. Or you can let it chill in your house.
2 hours later.
It's time for the final step, which is to taste the pie. Now, let's get it out of the fridge. I'll cut a slice for myself.